This is the elevator at Palm Place condo in Sarasota, Florida. This is a 1980s Dover, but it looks like it may have gone to soccer mom by thyssenkrupp with Mad BP. I'm not going to start in the lobby because there's some activity down there. There's an old Dover. Oh, it's original inside. Nice. Top 6. And here we go. It's a high hydraulic. Here's 6. Back to the ground. The door operator's been replaced by thyssenkrupp, and the hall station has been replaced by thyssenkrupp. 88 phone. I see a 1980s Dover Miami elevator certificate. Basic cab. The LED lighting in the ceiling is obviously not original. It's interesting seeing a 1980s Dover in a state that doesn't have many of these because of these stupid codes. Obviously the certificate wasn't asked, now the certificate is. Here back at ground.